missing someone.
Hello Stardust, and welcome back to Radical Raspberry. Today I have a radical video where I'm going to reveal 5 secrets that every beginner should know about meditation. If you're intrigued about that, keep watching, and don't forget to thumbs this video up if you enjoyed, because that helps me out. And subscribe, because I make self-improvement and holistic health videos. I am wearing my I Find People Confusing shirt today, because that's probably how you're feeling right now, with the loads of information about meditation, with this idea of like a monk on a mountain meditating. Our ideas and concepts and just knowledge about meditation has been completely distorted, and so that's why I want to share these 5 secrets that every beginner meditator should know. Be sure to watch if that interests you. The first secret: I cannot count how many times people have told me I can't quiet my mind, so I can't meditate, or while I'm meditating I get distracted. Hey, me too! That's the process. The whole process of meditating is noticing, hey, my mind is distracted. Once you notice that, that's amazing. That's the process of meditating, is becoming aware that your mind has distracted and then bringing it back to the breath. Oh, there your mind goes again. You noticed. Congrats. Bring it back to the breath. First time you go to sit down and meditate, it's like blah 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 blah. I have a video about what the first time of meditating is like. It's a fun little skit if you want to check it out, to get some relatable content, to understand that your mind is not going to be blank. The second secret is that meditation is not going to enlighten you. If you think it is, that's actually pushing you further from enlightenment. Get rid of those expectations of what meditation is going to bring you, and that it's going to bring you this intense inner peace and like la da 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 da. My downfall is that I did a ton of research before actually sitting down and practicing meditation, so I brought all of these expectations, and I was really disappointed when I meditated and there wasn't this magical white beam of light flowing through my spine, and I didn't feel like this complete relief and ecstasy. So get rid of this idea that meditation is somehow going to enlighten you, because it's not. The third secret is to just stick to one technique. I know you want to learn about other things and try crystals and mantras and mudras, but just sit down and just stick to one technique, and I promise you, you will go a lot deeper, and it's going to be a lot more simple and easier to stick to. The fourth secret is that you don't need a cushion, you don't need beads, oils, head wrap, mudras, crystals, whatever else you think that you need. You don't need any of those things. You don't need a meditation space. All you need is yourself. That's a big thing that holds a lot of people back, or these expectations again that we bring, that you need to have this peaceful area with like candles glowing. You don't need any of that. All of that is really just decoration. It's unnecessary. Yes, it can make you feel more comfortable and safe, but at the end of the day, all you need is yourself, your body, your mind, your soul in that one place. You just need to dedicate time. Lastly, the fifth secret that not a lot of people are going to tell you is that meditation is kind of boring. The first time you go and you sit there and you're kind of just like, this is it? Like, you just sit here and you do nothing? A lot of people who talk about meditation online, it's like they're trying to sell it to you. So they're like, these are the benefits, this is what's good about it, this is great, it's awesome. And then you think you're going to sit there and all this greatness is going to unfold. But realistically, you're going to sit there and it's going to be boring as heck, okay? How often do we do nothing? We don't, because it's boring. You sit there and you're just like, this is it, when is this going to end? In your head, you're like counting down the timer. That's very normal too, especially in this place where we're like, go, go, go all the time. We're not used to just sitting down and doing nothing, but that's why it's so important to sit down and do nothing. Yes, sometimes you have aha moments, but the majority of the time you're just sitting there, sometimes waiting for it to end. That's the process, and the more you keep it up, you get more comfortable with just sitting there and doing nothing, and you actually start to possibly look forward to it, because sometimes it's good to just genuinely do nothing. Not the nothing of laying there on your phone, not the nothing of watching a Netflix show, the nothing of letting your mind settle. Not letting it quiet, just letting it settle. I hope you don't feel as confused about meditation now, and if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, because that helps me out, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that thing. Or is it here? I don't know, somewhere. Yeah. press that button. Please, thank you. It means a lot. Thank you for watching, and comment down below what was your favorite secret. I will see you next time, and as always, don't forget to think beyond and Om.